Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can remove the video background in CapCut PC. Okay, first one, select your video you like to edit. And to remove the background, you can select video and go to cut out. You can use the chroma key or auto cut out. But in this material, I am going to select auto cut out. So just tap on it and just waiting the processing. So here we go. The background has been removed, and you can see. I think it's not perfect, but yeah, that's how to remove the background of your video in CapCut. You can change the background. Just go to basics, select canvas, go to color, like so. Yeah, here we go. Okay, I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.